Evan Kinfolk, welcome back to the channel. Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We were out and about. Me and the brother-in-law came, and somebody else showed up. My dad. What the hell? Finally made it out with us. He's on his 2017 Road King. 17, right? 16 Road King. So he's had that for a while. He bought it brand new, but he's out here with us, man. And how long has it been since you've been out on the bike?
Probably about 2 years.
Dude, that's too long.
I'm getting the hang of it.
He's getting the hang of it. Shit, me and Gabriel ain't been out since a couple months. Yeah, about a couple months, man. So it's been way too long. So we're out here today. Today's Easter Sunday, and but yeah, we're gonna head out towards Carlos, Texas, man, and just hang out over there right around. We're actually gonna hit 3090. And that's got some good little turns and twisties on it, so we're gonna hit that, and then we'll probably just end up getting lost after that, like me and Gabriel usually do, right, Gabriel?
That's right.
So yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoy the video. We're gonna take off here in a little bit. We're taking a little rest break. I had to go to the potty. Had to go a little TTTT. So as soon as we get back on the bikes, I'll show you what it looks like. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, kinfolk. We are almost to Anderson, I believe. So at Anderson, we're gonna have to stop again because yeah, boy's got to go pee again. So that's what we're doing, man. It's a little bit chilly too today. God, I think it started in the 50s. Right now, it shows it to be indeed don't say. So just believe me, it's colder, and it's supposed to warm up to the 70s, but around noon is when it's supposed to do that. And I wasn't recording, but man, I wish I was, because we went through two obstacles. One of them was a dog was right in the middle of the road. Luckily we were going slow enough, he moved out the way, and then hello bikers, and then there was a ton of eggs through the National Forest. When we were going through the National Forest, there was a ton of eggs just laying out in the road. Yeah, so pissed because I didn't get to record that, but yeah, that happened. But yeah, we're gonna have to go to the bathroom, go to a potty stop. So this is we're gonna take 90 here towards Navasota, and now where we can hit that 3090. Actually, we're gonna go 90 and then up to I believe it's 6, Highway 6, and then to 3090 from there. That's the courthouse we usually take our pictures at, and it's a really nice place, man. Fucking cool little area to ride in. But we're actually gonna stop at this a little convenience store over here, so we'll do that. Once we get back on the road, I'll get back with you, because it's potty break, boys and girls. Potty break time. So let's do it. See ya. Alright, kinfolk, we back on the road. I had to pull over because my damn camera had froze up on me. Alright, so now we're on 90 and headed to the beautiful roads. The beautiful roads, kinfolk. So yeah, man, it's been a while since I've been on the bike. A couple months at least, man, and I freaking hate it. But the weather's been freaking crazy over here in Texas. It'll be freaking cold, rainy, and then the next day it'll be 70 degrees. So that's how it was this week. This week was actually pretty cold during the week, after a little rainstorm at the beginning of the week, and then it got cold, and then today it's supposed to get up in the 70s. So still pretty chilly out here though on the road, but it's nice, man. It's nice. So I hope y'all have had a great Easter weekend. This definitely won't be posted the same day, so you'll be seeing it after. But yeah, man, I hope y'all had a great time with the family and stuff. So we didn't have anything planned, so we decided to come out riding. Trying to get my son to come, but of course he's always busy now. The son's 21, He'll be 22 in June, so he's got other stuff going on all the time now. Which sucks, man, because I absolutely love riding with him. We used to ride all the time together, but you know how that goes. Once they get older, they kind of forget about their folks. So, but I understand. It's not a big deal. But I'm so glad we got my dad out with us today, man. It's been a long time since we rode together as well. So, we definitely enjoying him with us today. Definitely want to try to plan another trip, man, with all of us going out. That would be amazing. Uh-oh. Is that blue bonnets already? Looks like it. That's one thing a lot of people do out here, man, is they'll come out and take pictures with the blue bonnets whenever they start blooming out here. And I mean, it actually looks really nice, really cool. Hopefully I can get the drone up. I brought the drone. I actually brought the wife's drone. I had the Phantom 4, and it's just so big, man. It's hard to bring on the bike, and then all my other stuff that I've got to bring as well. I mean, I can tote it in the bike, but it takes up all this trunk space. So I brought her drone. She has the little shit, what is it called? Fuck, I don't remember. It's the small one though. So still made by DJI, but I brought that one. So hopefully I can get the drone up once we get on 3090 and get you some cool shots, man. If y'all follow me, if y'all been following me, then you know I had the whole Can-Am, right? The side-by-side. Well, we finally sold that, so there will be no more mudding videos from me and the wife, because that was the wife's deal. So we bought that for her, so we were doing some mudding back then. But we got rid of it, sold it, so a little sad, because I love mudding. She loves it too, but just too much, man, too much. I mean, we also got our camper. We do camping videos as well, so if we're not out camping, I'm out on the bike and then trying to find time to do mudding as well. And then here recently I've been working like almost every Saturday, so it's just been tough, man. Not enough time in the day to do everything. So we sold it, but maybe later on we'll get another one. That would be dope. And hopefully we can find somewhere new to eat today, man. We'll be over by Carlos, Texas, which is where Yankees Tavern's at. But I think we're going to try to find somewhere new to go try, because we like to try new stuff. So while we're out and about, we might as well see if we can find something that somewhere that we've never been to, and try it out. So we'll definitely do that with y'all. I think these people be flashing me because my high beams are on, but fuck them. I'm on a motorcycle. I'm not turning my shit off. Sons of bitches. Folks, if you end up hitting 3090 from Highway 6 over by Navasota, this is what it's going to look like. And you won't be disappointed. This thing runs pretty good, man. And the twists and turns are pretty badass. So, hope you enjoy. Check it out. making it to Yankees. We just came here to make a little pit stop real quick. But I think we're gonna head over to this restaurant here, which is in College Station. It's called Harvey Washbangers. So it's 20 minutes from here. So I think we'll go check it out. From the menu I just saw, they have a bunch of burgers and a bunch of different style of burgers, man. So, you know, you can't go wrong with a burger. So I think we're gonna go hit that up and see what that's all about. So I'll see y'all here in a little bit, and I'll show you what they got going on there. All right, Kim folks, so that one burger place was or is closed on Sunday, so we're gonna go to K's Sports Bar and Grill, I think is what it's called. We're gonna go check this out and see what it's all about. That sucks because I really wanted to try that other place, but
take the next right onto State Highway 30 West.
It is what it is. So we'll see you when we get to the sports bar. All right, Kim folk, well that was a bust. Smitty K's is actually closed, I guess, because there's nobody out here. So now we're gonna go to a barbecue place, which is only 3 minutes away from here. So hopefully we can find something, man. I mean, I'm pretty sure like the bigger restaurants are gonna be open and stuff, but I want to try something different, you know? All right, well, let's go. And they look like they're closed as well. Boy, I tell you what.
Your destination.
Closed for Easter Sunday. All right, time to look again. Now we're gonna head to freaking BJ's Steakhouse, Brew House is what it's called. And I've been there before, and not to this one, but I've been to BJ's, and they are freaking pretty good.
In a quarter mile, make a
Alright, folks, so we ended up stopping here. I got the avocado egg roll to share with everybody, and then Dad got some chips and salsa. But look at this avocado egg roll, man. If y'all never had this, y'all definitely need to try it out because it's so good. They also got the Brew House Blonde, which is a really good beer here. They do their own beers here as well, so, but look at this. But let me tell you, man, let me get Dad's opinion on this, because Dad's never had them. Have you had them before, Gabriel? He's never had the egg rolls either, so I'm gonna get their opinions on it, but man, they're freaking amazing. The wife loves them, so let's see what they think.
This is my first time coming here.
It's your first time coming here? Oh shit, I thought you'd been here before. Oh god dang. All right, well try that there. See what you think. Yeah, that sauce is good too.
Sweet.
The sauce is? Yeah. What do you think of that? It's just good, huh?
What is it?
Avocado egg roll. So it's got, looks like it's got avocado, looks like chives or something, and tomatoes. I don't know, but it's amazing.
It's almost like a guacamole.
Yeah, all in, wrapped in an egg roll. Fried with it, yeah, man. So, dude, if y'all get a chance to get out to BJ's, make sure you try the avocado egg rolls. They're amazing. All right, we'll show you the rest of it when it gets out. Okay, folks, it done come out. I got the crispy jalapeno burger. Gabriel got the guacamole burger, and then Dad got fish and chips. So let me show you what it looks like. Fish and chips. Look at that guacamole burger, though. Damn, son.
All that stuff on top of it, bro.
Boy, you get a good scoop of that guacamole, don't you? And then the fried jalapeno. So it's got fried jalapenos on top of it. That burger. Okay, folks, we're about to dig in, so we'll let you know how it is once we get back outside. When we're so full we can't even ride it. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, Kim folks, we just got done eating and we came out here and look at this. Yeah. Yeah. It's fucking raining. So I don't know. We're gonna have to haul ass. We're gonna have to haul ass.